Look, I know individuals are going to have a range of views, and a number of people have approached me with really positive reactions, and a number of people have approached me with some other feelings, and I respect that people have different views. We have worked with mana whenua throughout the process, starting back in 2015 through to 2018, all the way through to here, through every step of the process, worked with a list of authorities and with the iwi, and we continue to do that. We will continue to do that. That's what we're about here at Rotorua Lakes Council, and we'll continue to do that.
Is there anything else that you'd like to add amongst this Rotokākahi business?
Yeah, look, what I'd really like to say is this has been a project that's actually widely supported by the community. The protection of the lakes, the protection of human health is really important. Through this whole process, we've looked at a range of different options, and to this date, this is the most viable one. It's widely supported, including by mana whenua, and I'd point out that there were many cultural impact studies. There are many cultural impacts, and I don't want to diminish any of them, but all those studies concluded that this solution was the one with the lowest impacts.